Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the unboxing and details about this garden tools set which I purchased for 270 rupees. So this is the one. So we'll try to check all the details about this. Yeah, this is the Flipkart package what I have received. Before going any further, in the previous video I have unboxed this high pressure car washing machine which you can use for the bike also. If you want the unboxing and full details of this product which is under 100 rupees, just check in the description, there is a detailed video of the unboxing details. Now we'll try to open this garden tool set. So this I purchased for 100 rupees and these are three tools. This hand cutter one, okay, and this is for water spray, okay, and this is the hose clamp, okay, and a pair of gloves. So we'll see one by one. I feel all these items for 270 rupees or 60 rupees is decently good, but once I use this I can get to the confirmation whether these are worthy or not. So these are elastic, okay, elastic, maybe waterproof also. Yes, this material is waterproof, so you can, when you want to do the garden sort of work, you can just use them, okay. Sorry, fine, okay. And I'll keep the hose clamp, see here, yeah, you need to just screw it to this inside the water source pipe and you can just screw it like this. Anyway, in the how to use video, next video I'm going to show you the installation and the usage and everything. For now I'll be cutting this strip with this one. So totally 1 2 pair of gloves, 3 4 5 6 7 items, okay. I'll be removing this, okay. For the first time I'll be cutting this one only, yeah. I need to practically test how this is working. If you want, just check in the description. Immediately after this video I'll upload that video of how you can use this, okay. Now and these are decently good, but what I feel is the handles are very short. It would be better if the handles would be a little bit more. That is the only thing. Slightly dissatisfied. All the material are good. See here, the thickness is light only, okay. During the usage I can comment on this. If you want the review video of this product, you can just ask in the comments. See here, not very sharp, okay. This is also, if the handle is a bit more bigger, that would be good, okay. Yeah, total 7 items, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. WYK Garden Tools Garden Tool Kit of 6 tools they have mentioned. Maybe I just counted this one, right? Maybe without this 6 tools, okay. This is the pruner, okay. This is the pruner, the same hand fork, this one hand fork, hand rake, maybe I don't know the exact names of this, okay. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, just ask in the comments, and for the usage video just find the link in the description.